What's up, everybody? It is Amrinder Singh. Today, we're gonna talk about a Punjabi word, bind. All right. So I'm gonna explain this word's meaning and how we use this word in different situations. All right. So basically, this word you probably heard sometimes in songs while people are talking as well. So bind, it means like little a little time or something like that. So you will understand more through the explanation. For example, um, if I said, "ਉਹ ਕੁੱਟਣ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਬਿੰਦ ਨਹੀਂ ਲਾਉਂਦਾ," right? ਕੁੱਟਣਾ means beat, right? It means he didn't take time to beat somebody, right? ਉਹ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਕੁੱਟਣ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਬਿੰਦ ਨਹੀਂ ਲਾਉਂਦਾ, right? So here translation of bind is time, right? Some people can also say like oh kuttਣ ਲੱਗਿਆ time ਨਹੀਂ ਲਾਉਂਦਾ. So it means when it comes to beating people, he is always ready. It didn't take time him to decide like right. So that's the bind. Bind is kind of like you can say second, right? It's kind of second. So another example you can use let's say if you are working and maybe your friend, maybe somebody, your family member, they keep like calling you, or maybe they're just disturbing you, right? That time you can say, ਤੂੰ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਬਿੰਦਕ ਪਿੱਛੋਂ ਤੰਗ ਕਰਨ ਲੱਗ ਜਾਨਾ. ਤੂੰ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਬਿੰਦਕ ਪਿੱਛੋਂ ਤੰਗ ਕਰਨ ਲੱਗ ਜਾਨਾ. If she is girl, then you say ਕਰਨ ਲੱਗ ਜਾਨੀ ਆ. So it means like you keep bothering me, right? Keep bothering me. Bindik Pisho means every little time. Maybe after 1 or 2 minutes, somebody asking you question. While you're trying to focus on your work, right? That means Bindik Pisho, all right? So let's say you told like I'm working, don't disturb me. But maybe you see after 1 or 2 minutes that person's asking you another question or maybe telling you something, right? That time you can say, "Tu mainu bindik pichon tang kari janna." So that's the example. There's another example. Like let's say, if somebody asks you, like when you're coming, like you can say, "Main bindik nu auna," right? For example, let's say we plan to play a card game. We called our friend, let's say play, and he say I'm getting ready, bend the canoe, right? So it means I'm getting ready, so I'm gonna come in a little time. So that's bend the canoe, all right? So not all the time people use it. They can say मैं थोड़े time ਨੂੰ ਆਉਣਾ, मैं 1 ਮਿੰਟ ਨੂੰ ਆਉਣਾ, something like that. But this is also a really good word, bend. I also heard this word a lot in songs. I think one song, I think maybe Shub's song, he said, "Chakkar lage launde bindni." Launde bindni. So it means when they have to pick up somebody, so they don't take time. So bind means kind of second, right? So that's how it's being used. And another thing, you can't use this word bind for directly to seconds, right? If somebody asks you, like, are you coming? And if you're gonna say, I'm coming, give me 30 seconds. So you can't say, like, give me, like, a menu tea in the day, right? You won't say, like, a menu tea in the day. You can say, menu tea second a day. Or you can say, मैं 30 घंटा ਨੂੰ ਆਉਣਾ, all right? You won't say, मैं 30 ਬਿੰਦਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਆਉਣਾ. It doesn't make sense, all right? So second, in Punjabi, when we say second, all right? 30 ਘੰਟਾ ਨੂੰ ਆਉਣਾ. So yeah. And this word bind, it means kind of second when we use in different situation. That time it's like a second, like "oh bind nu aauga." So here it didn't mean the second, it means in little time. When I say like he is a very aggressive guy, he didn't take time to beat anybody or somebody. That time it means like when he think he is in danger, so he's not gonna take time to think about it. He's just gonna attack. So it means he is his reaction time. Like, so bend means kind of little time. All right. Um, there's another similar to that. Like, let's say if we are walking somewhere or maybe we're running, it's very hot weather. Then I can say, ਅੱਜ ਗਰਮੀ ਬਾਲੀ ਆ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਬਿੰਦੇ ਬਿੰਦੇ ਪਾਣੀ ਪੀਣਾ ਪਊ. Binde binde. So here binde binde means again and again. So it means it's so hot today. We have to drink water again and again. So binde binde, right? So it's different, but this word binde binde came from basically the bind. There's another word which is similar to bind in Punjabi, that's pala, right? Pala means also very short time. Like if somebody, let's say, it died all of a sudden, maybe you see a person, he was standing, then he got a heart attack and just fall, right? You can say oh bind ch mar gaya. Bind ch mar gaya, or you can say oh pal ch mar gaya, right? Bind or pal is kind of same thing, but this word pal is not being used that much in spoken language. Maybe sometimes you see some people using, but most common word is bind, all right? There's also another word mint chdi. Oh mint chdi mar gaya, right? Mint is also short time, so it happens in a minute, something like that, right? Um, another example, like let's say, yeah, we say like he finished his work very fast. You can say oh mint ਚ ਕੰਮ ਕਰ ਲੈਂਦਾ. ਉਹ ਮਿੰਟ ਚ ਕੰਮ ਕਰ ਦਿੰਦਾ. Or you can say ਉਹ ਬਿੰਦ ਚ ਕੰਮ ਕਰ ਦਿੰਦਾ. So it means he finished his work fast. Now it doesn't mean when somebody say oh ਮਿੰਟ ਚ ਕੰਮ ਕਰ ਦਿੰਦਾ, it didn't mean he finished his work in a minute, because sometimes the work could be longer. It could have come for a couple of hours. But when somebody say oh ਮਿੰਟ ਚ ਕੰਮ ਕਰ ਦਿੰਦਾ, it means he works faster. He's gonna, if somebody is gonna finish this work in maybe 2 or 3 hours, he's gonna finish in 1 hour, right? So when somebody use this phrase like a mentity or mentity kam karanda, so it means fast, not exactly in 1 minute, all right? So yeah, so that's the word I want to teach you, bend, all right? So you can also use this word in these kind of situations if you want. Anyway, I hope you like this podcast and learn something from it. I'll be back with another lesson another day.